All right, hey guys, I'm back. How you all doing? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna continue on with our stone installation, and in this series we remove the bricks and we're just going up with some stone. And so in today's video we're gonna continue on with some more stone installation. As you already know, your boy Ryan gonna take you through step by step of how to do your stone installation. Tip and trick you will learn as we go. So with no further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before we jump into the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed for more upcoming video like this one. Let's get started. So I'm gonna start by putting some duct tape right beside my window here. Just make sure we have this up nice and sealed. Earlier I run a reference line, call it a 45 line. So I put it right in the corner here to use as a gauge or as a guide to bring up my corner. So we know that it's gonna go up nice and straight. Alright. Just gonna start by put a little bit of mortar here. You know what? First I wanna transfer the level of the window. So right here is the level of my window. I want to work to go around 1/4 inch above. Biggest size stone I have is 11.5. So we're gonna mark 11.5 plus 1/2 inch joint. It's gonna be 12. Reason why we're making these mark, because we're trying to work to reach right up to the top of our window without we have to do any cut. We're gonna make another 11.5 followed by the joint, which is 1/2 inch, and 11.5. So perfect. So we're right on. If we continue with our 1/2 inch joint, we're gonna reach right up to the top of our window here, which is where we wanna be. So we're good to go. We just gotta maintain the 1/2 inch joint. Then as we go up, we wanna keep on check, just to make sure that we reach right up onto our mark. Put this stone here, I want to level him this way, also level him across. Okay, it's just a fraction away from the line. I want to stay away. As I go up, I'm putting my finger at the back here, just to use as a template to maintain the plumb of the wall or the straightness of the wall as we go up. 3 inches. So we're gonna put a piece of cut right there. Beautiful. Just gonna make a cutout for this one here now. Make a nice little cutout here. Fit nicely. This way it can go right over our sills. Give it a more nicer finish. You wanna step away 1/4 inch from your window. You don't want to buck your stone right up to the window, just in case later on in the future they wanna take their window back. They want to remove the window. They don't have to damage the sill. They don't have to damage the stone either. So you always want to step away from. So I like to use my level on each stone as I go up. I like to put my level on all of them, make sure everything is nice and level. 5 inches. Measuring over here, we want to measure from the stone that's already laid right to the edge of the one that's already laid. That way we can maintain the straightness of the one that's already there. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this one now. Gonna do a few more and then we're gonna put some brick ties. Four. Now we're gonna go ahead and put some brick ties, bend them right in the middle here and a 90-degree. Brick tie, we usually put them 16 inches on center. Right in the corner here, usually you have a studs. For the wall here, we have some concrete nail, or you can use some top and screw. This stone is around 4 inches. Smallest piece you should want to put in your wall is around 4. We're gonna mark for this one 1/2 inch, then we're gonna go right here. We have this one, we're gonna try and cut this one with our hammer. We're just gonna tap right in the mark, go right around. Once you go, you just tap the back. You get it to cut straight, nice and straight, just like you see I have here. We're gonna cut this one off. One of the up here, be careful and down on the ground there. I like work on a single plank, man. It's too difficult. See me? So guys, we're doing some joints now. We're just trying to compact the joints and leave it here to dry. And afterwards we're gonna go back to with our wire brush. Finish it off. We just do joint them and then afterwards we go for break. No, I come now, you know. Once I finish this side, I'm gonna have to bring up the other side of the window, and after that we're gonna put our hanger line right across, so that way we can continue on with our wall. Alright guys, so we reach right up to the top of the window. We're gonna go ahead and start to lay stone across. One other thing you want to make sure the space you have on this side of the angle line is the same on the other side over there. So here we have around 1/2 inch. Over here you want to make sure you have the same thing. I'm also going to measure the space from the window come out to the edge of my angle line here. And we're going to do the same over here. Over here we have 1 1/4. Alrighty. Huh? This one make you nervous. Hold on, I see. Eh? Oh, I'm the 100 mile away. Are you are putting him under pressure? You know used to eh? Man say yeah, call him sir. And I do it on a style. Me nah leave you. Just gonna put a little tiny bit of mud onto her hunger. Not too much. Right across a little bit more. Now we're gonna change it. Might put in different size right in here. Trying to maintain the same space we have here, go right along. Afterwards, we're gonna leave some weeping hole. Right now, I'm just going right across, and afterwards, we're gonna come back and open up for our weeping hole. Oh. Yeah, you have to bring it down to the same level as that one that's already there. There are 2 pieces of stone left. You know, easy ask. Eh?